Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Just think about a situation like this. You developed a very nice scenario in one instance of Fusion, and you would want to copy the same scenario to a different instance of Fusion. How do you do that? It's pretty simple. Export the scenario as a blueprint and import the blueprint in that instance of Fusion. Okay, so let's see that in action. It's very easy and it's going to save a lot of time. Okay, so here we have a scenario, very nice scenario that we developed. Okay, I think we created the scenario live. Okay, you can watch my previous video session if you want to understand how to build the scenario. Okay, so very nice scenario to update multi-select fields. Now let's try to export the scenario as a blueprint. So click on these three dots, okay, and then click on export blueprint. Okay, now it's exported here as blueprint 21. Okay, now let's go to that instance of Fusion. Just imagine this is a different instance of Fusion, and I want to import the scenario here. I want to import the blueprint here. I want to copy the blueprint here. Okay, so let's try to do that. Just click on the three dots. Okay, open a new scenario builder, click on the three dots, click on import blueprint, click on browse. Okay, and let's go and take that blueprint here, open, and let's click on save. Perfect. And just give a nice name. Okay, as of now it is empty integration. You can give it a nice name, and then um, basically the main point here is you might have to create the connection. If the connection is not there in that instance, make sure that you create the connection and refer the connection here. And you might have to update the document ID. That document ID might be different in that instance of Fusion, or that instance of Workfront. The document ID might change, so make sure that you update that here. And also you might have to create data structure here. So you have a create JSON module. So basically you need to create the data structure in that instance of Fusion, and you need to refer that here. Okay, that's another important point to remember. And here as well, you might have to refer the connection. Okay, so if you have any webhooks, make sure that you create the webhooks as well. If you have data stores, make sure you create the data stores and the corresponding data structures. Okay, so these are the points that you need to remember whenever you um, import the blueprint in another instance. Make sure that you create the uh, um, related artifacts, okay, which are dependent on that scenario. Okay, this is it, and I hope this was useful. Have a nice day.